You've been arrested and you need to prepare for your bail hearing. What do you do? Sometimes you have just hours before your bail hearing, other times you'll have days before your bail hearing and you need to prepare. Sometimes you'll know that there's a warrant and you're going to go to court knowing that you might be arrested. So you have time to prepare for your bail hearing. If it's a California state court case, you want to call me so I can recommend the best bail bondsman. There are some great bail bondsmen, there are some not so great bail bondsmen out there. You need someone you can trust. So that's the first step, a reputable bail bondsman. Then you have to have people who are going to stand up for you and say, I will vouch for this person. So if you have a federal charge, you are arrested in a federal case, you are going to need to find somebody who is willing to sign either a signature bond or a property bond for you. This means they are going to deed whatever equity they have in their property over to the court for the duration of your case, if you are convicted until you turn yourself in for sentencing, or if you go to trial and you're acquitted until the acquittal occurs. So this is usually a family member. There is no set amount of bail in federal court, unlike state court where there is an actual bail schedule and every crime has a specific amount attached to it. In federal court, it's kind of surprisingly more touchy-feely. So it depends on if you have any priors, if you have ties to the community, but property can be a very significant aspect. So you want to make sure that whoever has the property, has the good job, is the person who's going to sign for you, is available to speak with pretrial services the day of your initial appearance in court so that they can confirm to the judge, yes, I've spoken to the father, mother, husband, wife, whoever it is, and they've said that they're willing to sign for this person. And that person ideally needs to be in court if at all possible, so that the judge can talk to them and say, do you understand what you're signing up for here? Are you still willing to do that? Do you understand that if your son, daughter, husband, wife doesn't show up for court, we can take your house? And that person is there to say, yes, I understand and I'm willing to do that. So there is preparation that is required in order for you to get out on bond or bail, depending on if it's state or federal court. We use different language. And if you are going to court, you know you're going to have a bail hearing. You're either in federal court in the United States or you're in state court in California. Call me. My contact information is in the description below.